Hello viewers, now we are going to see a video about herbal mask. I will explain very differently about different mask. See now this is a general mask only. Masks are divided into many category. The one category which we normally use is the non-woven, made with the non-woven synthetic mask, which has some 3 layer. So that mask is generally used. But what is the problem is that it is synthetic and it is for one use only. And it is when you compare to the other mask, that for example our cotton based mask, the disadvantage is it is one time use, then we have to dispose it. And so what we feel is we made this mask in woven and knit. This is one. And the second is the advantage of this mask is it is dyed with herb and plant based. For example, now you are seeing the tulasi, holy basil. We dye with holy basil, we dye with herbs, we dye with neem also. So now I will explain about our herbal mask. See now for the fabric is infused in the herbs for 2 days in the combination of neem and turmeric. Then it is dyed and then it is stitched as mask. Now you can see the mask now. So this is the normal general use mask, which is a replacement of the non-woven one blue color shade of mask. So it is this is woven, and you can see now how it fits. Okay, then this is made with the neem and tulasi combination. Okay. So this also fit very nicely, and these are two. We have elastic, and this elastic can be replaced also. This is having 2 elastic for that fixing, and it is fixed, and the virus can be. Actually, this is a big mask, so it will shoot. Okay, okay. So now. Then we are going to see some other mask which is made with, these are woven mask. You can now see the knit mask. So here we have the knit mask, and this is 2 layer. Yeah. So for more security we have made this as 2 layer of mask. So this is also very comfortable. Okay. So this is the knit mask. So this is the woven mask. Yeah. This also fit very well. Okay. Then we also have because the neem is very popular antimicrobial agent. So we dye with neem and leaves and bark, and we have a neem mask. So now you can see it fits very well. So what we believe is that when we dye with the neem, when you get contact into the microorganism, it is deactivated. So this is also made with the knit fabrics, knit mask. Okay, so it have very a good advantage. The thing is you can reuse this mask, and it is good for the environment. It is recyclable, dyed with nature, and dyed with plant based and herbal based thing only. So this is another mask which is in R&D, and you can see that you have other layer also. 2 layer. You see now this is the front, and you have a layer for extra protection. Yes. Okay. So, so these are the different masks, and hope you enjoyed this video, and you can very well email for business inquiries, or if you want to make this mask very well, and you can. And we also have another mask which is dyed with indigo. You know about indigo is very famous natural dyeing, and so this is an indigo. So now he is also wearing an indigo t-shirt, Mr. Karthik, and he will show. Yeah, Master Karthik is also wearing the indigo. See, you see, it is very cool also. So kindly we recommend use these, promote these herbal textiles, which is made naturally. You can also use it and get the benefit from this coronavirus spread. It's eco-friendly, sustainable, natural, and thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.